Why does your scanner show the P1273 engine code? What does it mean? P1273 is a diagnostic trouble code for air-fuel ratio sensor 1 bank 1 lean shift monitoring. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM is detecting a lean air or fuel mixture, meaning there is too much air compared to fuel in the bank of cylinders containing cylinder number 1. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Air or fuel ratio sensor issues, vacuum leaks, fuel delivery issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in Nissan vehicles, particularly models like the Murano, Altima, Maxima, and Sentra. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.